In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to redeem a PlayStation gift card on your PS5. So on the gift card, whether it's a digital gift card or a physical gift card, what you need is the gift card voucher. So if you have a digital gift card, the voucher should come in your email. And if you have the physical gift card, then you can scratch to reveal the voucher code. Now, once you have that code with you, you can just go to your PS5 and then navigate to the PlayStation Store and select that. And then on the PlayStation Store, scroll on the top level menu and click on More and then select Redeem Code. Now this is where you enter the 12-character voucher code that you get with your gift card. So currently for me, I'm just going to enable caps lock and enter my code. Once you finish entering the code, just go and type on done and then scroll down and click on redeem. And when it's successful, you'll see you've added funds to your wallet and the current balance. So that is basically how to redeem a gift card on your PS5. So that's basically how to redeem a PlayStation Store gift card. Now you might have other types of gift cards, like for instance, you can buy the PlayStation Plus gift card, and for that one, you'll need to go to the PlayStation Plus and then go to more in the top left corner and then go to redeem code and redeem it from there. So it mainly depends on what kind of gift card you have. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips. And I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.